And I will now show on how to add a package to a product that has one existing pack size. So in order to demonstrate just this particular functionality, I have already selected the product and the scope for this change. In present and proposed section, you will add the details of the current status into the present field as per normal, and you will add the details of the change into the proposed fields. For the sake of this demo, I will type here new pack size. In here, you would detail the actual change. As there is no change for the manufacturers, I will tick the declaration box, and we will then move to selecting the scope. In this particular scenario, we will do a size, a new pack size within the currently approved range. So I'll tick the scope here, and we will move on to select the relevant medicinal product. I will select this product. Just a word of caution. Pay good attention to if you have a product or multiple medicinal products selected here, that you remember which one you're changing when you are going into the Add Package window. In here, you will select the parent medicinal product. As you saw on the previous screen, I had selected the first one, which I will need to select here. The system will allow you to select the other one. However, this will cause an error on the PDF. So please ensure that you're selecting the same medicinal product in the lookup window. And we will then tick select. In here, we will add the MA number of the new package. And the details of the new pack size. And we will click submit. Once the system has correctly calculated this package, you will then be able to see the newly added entry here on the list. So in principle, this is not immediately adding this new pack size into PMS, but of course, upon approval of this new pack size, then this package will then be available in future for future variations. But this action is simply here to enable a variation that adds a package, because it's no longer possible to type free text into section 2 of the application form. And once you have done that, you will need to then untick the existing pack size. So this is a specificity for products that have only one existing package, because there's a business rule that at least one pack size has to be added. So once you have added the new package and you have the pending entry here, it is very important to remember to untick the existing pack size, and you can then click save to proceed. Once the change has been saved, we can go back to the product selection page to check that the new entry will be there. So now when we go back to the product, we can see that the new pack size that I added has been added here. And once I export this application form, you will see this new proposed pack size added into the section 2 of the PDF application form, and also in the present and proposed section. I have now generated the PDF for this application where we added a package. So if we have a look at the section 2 of the application form, here you can see the entry for this new pack size. So here is the proposed MA number. And if we then move to the present and proposed section, you can see the details here. So there's another scope here, which we haven't filled in yet, but this is what I just demonstrated in the web user interface. So we can see the product for which we have added the new pack size, the details that I added in the proposed field. Of course, you would add the actual details here. And here we can see the proposed MA number. Of course, you may not know what the new MA number for this product will, for this pack size will be. So you can just leave this bit empty, or add just XXX, or you may be able to, if you have single medicinal product that has one existing package, it's relatively easy to guess what the next MA number would be. And the details are again presented also here in the proposed field. So this is a case when you're adding a new package to a product that has only single pack size currently approved.